Zentech is a globally trusted consulting firm whose specialty lies in business intelligence, brand protection, and compliance. Brand and intellectual property protection are critical concerns for long-term corporate growth and survival in today's competitive global marketplace. From our base in Bogota, Colombia, we deliver high-value-added services combined with innovative technical solutions in Europe and throughout America. At Zentech, we combine the computational power of artificial intelligence with the exercise of human thinking and invaluable experience to provide world-class tailored solutions. Our unmatched ability to craft solutions has won us the trust of many high-profile clients, including many top luxury brands, energy industries, and banking operators, lawyer firms. Our compliance services help you to manage your business environment through risk analysis of individuals and companies, or through compliance programs for anti-corruption, terrorism financing, and money laundering regulations. Our thorough online investigation helps you to fight against fraud and counterfeiting, regardless of any legal outcome, and to control your flow of goods worldwide. Whatever sector you're in, be it oil and gas, pharmacy, banking, insurance, law, luxury, etc., Zentech is in your best interest. Contact us today.